This Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed for home cooks who want power, capacity, and versatility without filling their kitchen with multiple appliances. This countertop oven is not just an air fryer or a toaster oven. It is a full cooking system built to handle everyday meals, large family dinners, and entertaining with confidence. From its stainless steel finish to its impressive 26-quart interior, this appliance is engineered to perform like a compact professional oven while maintaining the convenience modern kitchens demand. At first glance, the French door design immediately sets this unit apart. Unlike traditional pull-down doors, the dual French doors open smoothly with a single pull, offering clear, wide access to the interior. This makes loading and unloading food safer and easier, especially when dealing with heavy trays or hot rotisserie items. The interior light allows you to monitor cooking progress without opening the doors, helping maintain consistent temperature and better cooking results. The standout feature of this oven is its extra-large 26-quart capacity, which comfortably fits a 6-pound rotisserie chicken, a full 12-inch pizza, or multiple trays of food at once. This makes it especially valuable for families, meal preppers, or anyone who regularly cooks for guests. Unlike smaller air fryers that require multiple batches, this unit allows you to cook larger portions efficiently, saving both time and energy. What truly elevates this appliance is its 24 one-touch cooking functions, which remove guesswork from a wide range of recipes. Whether you are air frying crispy snacks, baking desserts, broiling meats, dehydrating fruits, roasting vegetables, or slow cooking hearty meals, each preset is optimized for temperature, airflow, and time. The digital control panel is intuitive and responsive, offering precision without complexity, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Air frying performance is powered by 360-degree superheated air circulation, driven by a dual-speed fan system. This technology ensures food is evenly cooked with a golden, crispy exterior while using significantly less oil than traditional frying. The result is healthier meals that do not sacrifice texture or flavor. From frozen appetizers to homemade chicken wings, the crisping capability is consistent and reliable across different food types. Toasting is another area where this oven excels. The dedicated toast function automatically shuts off when the countdown timer ends, eliminating the risk of burnt bread. Visual indicators clearly show when toasting is in progress and when it is complete, adding a layer of convenience that is often overlooked in multifunction ovens. Proper rack placement guidance further ensures evenly toasted results every time. The inclusion of 7 premium accessories expands the oven's functionality even further. The air fry basket promotes optimal airflow for crisping. The rotisserie spit allows for evenly roasted meats, and the bake pan supports everything from cookies to casseroles. These accessories are designed to work seamlessly with the oven's internal dimensions, maximizing usable space and cooking efficiency. From a design standpoint, the stainless steel exterior gives the appliance a clean, professional look that complements modern kitchens. It feels substantial and well-built, signaling durability and long-term use. Despite its size, the oven is thoughtfully designed to function as a countertop centerpiece rather than a bulky afterthought, making it a practical upgrade for kitchens with limited space. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward. Removable accessories and smooth interior surfaces make post-cooking cleanup manageable, even after high-heat air frying sessions. For busy households, this ease of maintenance is a major advantage, reducing the friction often associated with large cooking appliances. In daily use, the Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven proves itself as a genuine replacement for multiple appliances. It can handle quick weekday meals just as easily as weekend cooking projects, adapting effortlessly to changing needs. Its combination of capacity, versatility, and intuitive controls makes it a strong choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen while expanding their cooking options. Overall, this appliance delivers on its promise of convenience without compromise. It is powerful, flexible, and thoughtfully designed, making it a valuable addition for households that prioritize both efficiency and quality in their cooking routine. Key features and benefits: extra-large 26-quart capacity for family-sized meals, 24 one-touch cooking presets for effortless versatility, French door design with interior light for easy access. 360 degrees hot air circulation for even, crispy results. Includes 7 premium accessories for expanded cooking options. Pros and cons. Pros. Replaces multiple kitchen appliances in one unit. Large capacity ideal for families and entertaining. Excellent air frying and roasting performance. Elegant French door design with easy visibility. Wide range of cooking functions for everyday use. Cons. Requires ample counter space due to its size. Learning curve for users new to multi-function ovens. Heavier than basic toaster ovens. Final verdict. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is an outstanding all-in-one cooking solution for households that value versatility, capacity, and consistent results. It simplifies meal preparation while expanding what is possible in a countertop appliance. For anyone looking to cook smarter, faster, and healthier without cluttering their kitchen, this oven is a compelling choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover everything this appliance can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.